The HTC One X, received it last night. Got home, charged it up, started putting all the contacts in. No problem there. Everything went absolutely according to plan. Nice slim design. Obviously, what is noticeable is the absence of a battery cover. You can't take the battery out, as I've read in so many reviews. Still nice looking phone, well pleased with it, good deal, etc. Last thing last night, decided to do a system update. So looked and there was an update from software version 4.0 to 4.03. Decided to do that. The system itself, the phone itself, wouldn't let you do it unless there was at least 30% in the battery. So it'd been on charge, more than 30%, just over 30%, nearly 40% battery life. Set it running, downloaded, and left it installing while plugged into the charger during the night. This is not the charger, it's just another USB charger lead I'm using at the moment. Left it running system update overnight. Came to it this morning, noticed that although it had a charging lead in, there was no charging light on, and it was dead. It wouldn't turn on, even though you'd left it for 10 seconds or more with the button pressed, still wouldn't turn on. Plugged the charging lead in, left it in for about a minute, still wouldn't turn on. Started panicking a little bit, searched the forums, nothing in there. What I did find was another charger. As I say, I've got another charging lead here. Plugged that in, still wouldn't switch on, still no charging light on. But my top tip is, don't worry. Put your charger in, leave it for at least 5 minutes, and then, and this is no joke, after 5 minutes the charging light started to come on, and the system burst into life. So, if you're going to update your HTC One X, top tip, make sure the battery is full, not just over 30%, make sure it's full. Download the update and install and watch it. Make sure it stays fully charged and there's no problem. And it doesn't have any difference leaving the charging lead in while it's doing the update. It just flattens the battery. So as you can see, mine's fully updated to the Android version 4.03, HTC Sense 4, and there's all the other details there. I hope that's of use. Thank you very much.